Hello, I'm Andy Lasko, Technical Alliance Manager at Kapow Software, and today I will be demonstrating how Kapow Software integrates applications in a fraction of the time and cost of any other integration approach. I will be integrating two core enterprise applications, a CRM or Customer Relationship Management System by Salesforce, with Service Desk, a help desk and order shipment system. Using this novel approach to application integration, I was able to complete this project in just a few hours, and best of all, this approach does not require IT staff. So let's get started. Here is an opportunity in Salesforce. Our account manager has a large deal that depends on the successful delivery of a generator. The account manager will need to copy the content from the Salesforce system into the Service Desk application, then monitor the Service Desk application to ensure everything is delivered on time so that this deal is not in jeopardy. The manual integration process is taking up a lot of our account manager's time, so let's look at how this could be automated so that we can get our sales managers back out selling instead of copying and pasting. So let's build our application integration. We'll start in Kapow's service design environment, Design Studio. It looks like a web browser, and by clicking on parts of the browser, a wizard prompts me to take different actions on the website. In this scenario, I want to automate the provisioning of a new order, and I simply step through the process in Kapow's Design Studio, and the workflow is captured. I can test the workflow with the click of a button, and once I'm satisfied with my workflow, I can deploy my workflow with a few clicks to Kapow's management and workflow runtime environment, the Kapow Management Console. The Management Console prompts me for the project and access that I will allow for this workflow. From the Management Console, I can view and discover the services that make up my synthetic integration APIs. Here's our new workflow for adding an order in Service Desk. The workflow is automatically exposed as a REST and JSON service. Let's give it a try. If we look in the order management system, we see our new order. It looks like everything's working. Let's remove this order and try it from Salesforce. Next, we'll connect this automated workflow into Salesforce. The Salesforce web application has the ability to add buttons and call web services via a drag and drop interface. This allowed me to add the provisioning button that we see here, to specify the data fields from this form that I want to pass into my workflow, and to call my workflow from my REST service. So let's try it out. As I click the provision button in Salesforce, it passes the data from this form into my workflow, which is part of the Kapow created synthetic API to our order processing system. The workflow will log into the order processing system, add this new order, and capture its order number and the URL for the order. Then this data is sent back into Salesforce. And here's our order. We can see here that the order has been provisioned. We have a provision reference and a link to the provisioning system. Not bad for a couple hours of work. As we saw here today, using Kapow Software's synthetic API approach to application integration enables you to integrate applications in a fraction of the time and cost of other integration approaches. This approach works on enterprise, hosted, and partner applications on the internet. And best of all of this can be done by IT or business users. Thank you for your time today, and goodbye.